Hey coffee lovers, if you've been dreaming of brewing rich, cafe-quality espresso at home, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best espresso machines that make it easy to enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, and Americanos without stepping foot in a coffee shop. Let's explore the machines that will take your coffee game to the next level. Links to all products are in the description. Starting us off at number 5, the Ninja Luxe Cafe. For unmatched versatility, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier Series is truly 3 machines in one. It makes bold espresso, flavorful drip coffee, and smooth cold brew with ease. Its built-in grinder offers 25 settings, while Barista Assist technology guides you with grind size recommendations, weight-based dosing, and automatic adjustments for perfect results. The dual froth system creates hot or cold microfoam hands-free, letting you enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, or espresso martinis without guesswork. With customizable brew temperatures, storage for accessories, and an assisted tamper for perfect pucks, this intelligent system makes cafe-quality coffee simple and fun, right from your own kitchen. At number 4, we have the Philips Series 3300. The Philips Series 3300 delivers smooth, aromatic coffee at the touch of a button, with 6 drink options including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and even iced coffee. You'll have plenty of variety to choose from. Its Latte Go system creates creamy milk froth effortlessly and is easy to clean in seconds. The ceramic grinder offers precision grinding, while the AquaClean filter reduces the need for descaling for up to 5,000 cups. Best of all, Silent Brew technology makes it one of the quietest machines available. With Philips, you'll enjoy a hassle-free experience that brings consistent, cafe-quality coffee to your home with minimal effort. At number 3, it's the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus. If you want ultimate ease and variety, the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus is a fully automatic powerhouse. With 18 one-touch recipes and the ability to save up to 4 user profiles, it makes it simple for everyone in your household to enjoy their favorite drinks just the way they like them. The built-in conical burr grinder ensures freshly ground beans, while the Latte Crema system delivers rich, creamy foam every time, even with milk alternatives. Its colorful touchscreen makes navigation seamless, and cleanup is effortless thanks to auto-cleaning and dishwasher-safe parts. With this machine, cafe favorites like lattes and cappuccinos are just a button away. Runner-up at number 2 is the Breville Barista Touch Impress. The Breville Barista Touch Impress brings cafe-quality coffee within easy reach. Its touchscreen guides you step by step, while the Impress Puck system takes care of grinding, dosing, and tamping with real-time feedback, ensuring a flawless espresso shot every time. With its thermojet heating system, the machine reaches the perfect brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, so there's no waiting for your morning pick-me-up. Plus, the Auto Milk Steam Wand creates silky microfoam and even calibrates for dairy or plant-based milk. With customizable presets, intuitive controls, and professional precision, this espresso machine makes brewing at home effortless and consistently delicious. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Casabrews Neutron Pro. The Casabrews Neutron Pro is designed to turn your kitchen into a true cafe. With its intuitive LCD screen, dual boiler system, and professional 20-bar pressure pump, you can brew rich, aromatic espresso while frothing milk at the same time. No waiting around. The automatic milk frother creates silky microfoam with perfect texture, and the one-touch Americano option makes crafting your favorite drinks effortless. With adjustable temperature settings, a large water tank, and a stylish stainless steel design, this machine delivers convenience and quality in every cup. Whether it's a cappuccino, latte, or Americano, you'll enjoy barista-level coffee at home. And there you have it, the top 5 best espresso machines that bring barista-level coffee right to your kitchen. No matter which you choose, you'll be making smooth, flavorful espresso drinks in no time. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.